Alright, good day. Welcome back, BowmanWebServices.com. In our previous video, we were talking about gutter cleaning. And so, really, I don't just do hotel and resort related marketing. I do some local SEO and also, if you're a hotel and resort, you need to do local marketing on top of international marketing, right? And so, back to our local conversation. I have a local handyman company. I've been ranking specific pages. And so, again, we talked previously about niches within niches, okay? So, handyman company, main niche is handyman, right? The keyword phrases would be like Port Orange handyman, Daytona Beach handyman, South Daytona handyman. Those are my winning keyword phrases. Then within the handyman niche are like 100 other things, right? Gutter cleaning, sink installation, caulking a tub, whatever it is, right? Okay, so we were talking about this page right here, right? And so we got this whole study going on. We're up to like video number five or six. But I think we're going to call it number 5 because we have an introduction video, right? And so, yeah, we're going to continue this discussion. And so, this past week, okay, we talked about how I've been trying to move this page up. And so, the main keyword phrases that I really want to show up for are going to be related to gutter cleaning. And so, here's the latest data. And you can see I'm pulling 7 days on Search Console. Okay, so the last 7 days, you can see that I am starting to get some activity here from gutter cleaning. It's starting to show up and it's actually moving up in the search results. I think before we were something like 16. Now we're down to average position on number 12. Now that's going to fluctuate again. Sometimes I'm on the first page, like 8th search result. Sometimes I'm like number 14, right? But it's gonna fluctuate right there. And so again, for those keyword phrases, I am on the cusp again. Still haven't shown up in the maps. Haven't figured out how to make that work yet. And at all under gutter cleaning, and not showing up in the maps. And so I have checked, Google Places and maps and stuff, and I have not figured out why that is doing that. I show up all over for handyman. So if I were to pull the same search for Port Orange handyman, I've already conquered that. I am on the first page of Google for that search. In fact, we just do that real quick. If I just do Port Orange handyman, right? You can see that I'm getting impressions. I have an average position of 12 again here. But, just the other day I was here in this list, which was impressive. That's what made me real happy, because I did a lot of work to get there. And you can see here, I am number 4. I'm on the cusp of showing up in the maps, which is going to be night and day game changer, right? And so I'm going to work on that a little more. I believe that just has to do with the age of the website, and really the citations are already done, so it just takes time for the citations to that Google finds those links, right, and it goes through those profiles and associates with this company. It just takes probably 6 months altogether, but I fully expect at some point I'll be all over the maps here. I'll be like number 2 or something, right? And so if I go on down here, I believe that I'm on the cusp again. And so sometimes again I'm like number 8, but here we go. I'm showing up for in my handyman niche, 2nd page, 3rd search result. And so again, we're just going to keep plugging along. The other day I was going to make this video and I was actually showing much better stats. I was on the first page. Should have done it then, but I wasn't ready to. I had other things going on. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go back here to this page. This is the page we're working on that's actually ranking for those keyword phrases, right? So we want to actually find the page that's ranking for Daytona Beach gutter cleaning or Port Orange gutter cleaning or installation, right? Bring that up, and so I'm adding to this page. So this is a growing resource, and as I get my results, I'm going to tweak it a little bit more. And so in a previous video, we talked about adding additional keywords that weren't in here, and I since then have done some additional. I made a video here, so I made a video, tagged it and everything, put a little description in, linked it to this page, right? And so yeah, there you go. And I went through and I added a little more content here and there, and I'm probably going to go back again. I'm going to wait like another couple of weeks, and I'm going to tweak it again and again and again. And so I do have a video on here. I didn't see that before, so maybe I want to add that video to this playlist, but this is an old playlist for a different demographic, and so maybe I'm going to try to start a new playlist. So there you have it. I also did share some of these pictures, and I'm doing some stuff on Pinterest to kind of get links should somebody embed that pictures somewhere on the web, right? I would then get credit for that as a link. And so I guess it's kind of the state of affairs today. Really thought I had a little more to share, but again, I'm after this right here. I'm after the crazy volume and again, this is just the volume in the last 7 days. If I go and bounce this back up to the last 28, right? You see that I'm after this volume here. This is what I want. I want this large volume. And so at one point it was a lot more than that. I think it was 1200 or so. Oh, we were doing a much larger time. So yeah, so I'm after that, and that by itself for a 1 or 2 person company is just a game changer. I probably will never have a chance to do anything but gutters, right? But you can see that there is definitely some volume here in and around gutters and handyman, right? And so it's just a matter of continuing to build a resource that in time, and I believe that it's already first page quality, right? It beats most of the first pages that are current ranking, but because it's a new website, it's only like really 7, 8 months old, 9 months old. It's not really that old, so it hasn't even had a 1 year anniversary yet. And so probably about the 1 year anniversary, this thing will be just will finally get all the boost that it needs to have, right? And so again, I'm just going to keep building the resource, keep adding to it, keep creating off site. And so really, I could take this post. I should take it right now and share it over here to Facebook, right? I have a whole group, a whole page that I manage, and we're not going to put this one up, but so of course it times my hand up. Well, I didn't see it there. All right. So yeah, just to show you, check out my gutter cleaning. And so this will actually, by sharing this page that has the video on it, it's already building multiple links, right? And by sharing it to Facebook, now I'm sharing a second tier link, which is the YouTube video embedded on my page that I'm trying to rank, which would be the first tier. Well, I guess the first tier would be YouTube, and then second tier would be I don't know, but you get the idea, right? It's resources that I've created off-site that have been embedded on-site, and now I'll go and share it somewhere on the web, along with sharing it on Pinterest and other places, right? So, boom, there it goes. Now it's off the to that page, group on Facebook. And so, yeah, I guess that's it for now. I just wanted to show you that things are growing, and again, it was doing, it's hit or miss. Sometimes it's on the first page. Google's kind of testing the resource to see if people like it, and then I'll report back to show you the different results that I pick up as we go. All right, hey, thanks for stopping by. BowmanWebServices.com, talking about local marketing for local business or even a hotel or resort doing local marketing in and around building their overall trust and value within the Google directory. All right, hey, thanks for stopping by. BowmanWebServices.com.